welcome to Forte's Corner. Please like and subscribe my video. Today, I'll be showing you how to unjam a PMAG D-60. All you need is either a flathead screwdriver or just a plain butter knife. All right, let's get started. All right, here we have the 4 clips, 1, 2, 3, 4. Start by taking one, go underneath it, twist, be careful to fly off. Get those out the way. The front cover goes off real easy. Then go underneath here, pull back on it. This is where you have any loose bullets that might have fell out. Take them out, just empty everything out. Then take your back cover, line it up. Stick it right in, make sure it's lined up good. It's clicked on all 4 sides. All right, take your cover. Also line this back up right here. It should be just like this. Take your clips at an angle, go down, and bring down. Repeat the process all the way around. And that's the assembly of the PMAG D-60.